morning, students. Today we will study another input method in Java, that is input through stream. Java performs input-output operation through stream. A stream is an abstraction that sends or receives information. In order to input data through stream, we must remember that Java uses two streams, that is input stream and output stream. The input stream receives data through the keyboard. The output stream sends data to the monitor. In Java, when we use input stream method, it becomes necessary to import a package, that is Java import java.io package. Java.io package contains a collection of stream classes that supports reading and writing of data. The system class provides facility such as standard input, standard output, and error. Now we will use another package, that is java.lang package. This will contain three methods, that is system.out, system.in, system.error. System.out is a standard output stream. System.in is a standard input stream. System.error is a standard error. When we have to enter a number, when a number is input to the keyboard by the user, computer reads the number as a string of characters. Now, why computer uses it as a string of character? Because in Java, it does not recognizes any of the number. It only recognizes strings. So, earlier when we input data, that is considered as a string of characters. Now, Java primitive data type do not include string. However, Java does provide the string class, where by creating an object of that class, string value can be stored in the variable. Now, before any input or output operation, the buffer has to be activated. Once the buffered reader object is created, the read line method is used to allow input of data. To convert the number stored in string into numeric value, an appropriate wrapper class must be used to convert the same. Now, we have to use the appropriate wrapper class. String s is equal to br dot read line. Input n is equal to integer dot parse int s. Now here we are using a variable s which is of string type, and what it is doing, it is using a read line method to read the data. Now integer n is a variable in which we will use the integer variable. Now int is equal to integer dot parse int. Integer is a wrapper class and parse int is a name of the method by which we are converting this string data into integer type. So integer dot parse int s. So what it is doing? It is converting this s into integer and storing it in n. Now input stream reader. Input stream reader reads a stream of characters. Buffer reader reads a string and system.in reads a byte. Now here we are using first example. Now input stream reader. Now ISR is an object. You can use any of the object. I have used here ISR is equal to new input stream reader bracket में system dot in. Now you already know that Java is case sensitive. So in the manner I have written I, S, R, all the three characters must be in capital case, and the rest will be in small case. Now next line is buffered reader. Here B and R will be capital. One object BR is equal to new buffer reader, bracket में ISR. ISR कहाँ से हमने लिया है? It is the object of the input stream reader जो हमने buffer reader में use किया है. Now string S. Now we are using another variable S which is of string type. अब इसमें हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are reading the input given through the keyboard. So br dot read line. Br is the object of the buffer reader and read line is a method. What it does? It accepts input as a string. Now next line is we are converting the string into number. So int number is equal to integer dot parse int s. S कहाँ से आया? S is the string where we have stored the value. So integer dot parse int, integer is a wrapper class, parse int is a method with the help of which we will convert this string into numeric value. Okay, so now we will go through an example, a complete example. Now example 1. Now write a program to input a number and print it using input stream method. Now import java.io. This should be the first line. Then public class number. Public class number is a name given to the class, opening brace, public static void main. Now this is the main line. Throws IO exception. Now whenever we are using any input stream, any stream method, in that we declare throws IO exception. Now throws IO exception, what it does? If any error arises, it automatically resolves with that error. It automatically deals with that error. So throws IO exception is a error class. What it does? It automatically throws an IO exception and deals with the common error arised by the computer. Now opening brace, int number. Int number is a variable which we have taken to convert the given value and to store it in a variable. Now input stream reader is first line. ISR is the object, is equal to new input stream system.in. Now next buffer reader. Buffer reader, now BR is another object, is equal to new buffer reader ISR. तो ये ऊपर वाला जो ऑब्जेक्ट है वो नीचे बफर रीडर में स्टोर करेगा. देन system.out.println enter a number. Then num is a variable, is equal to integer dot parse int. What it will do? It will first take the value, enter a number इसमें value ली, and it will convert it into a numeric. So integer dot parse int br dot read line. Br dot read line, what it does? Br dot read line will accept a value and will convert it into numeric. Now here we are combining two lines. हम इसे अलग अलग भी लिख सकते थे. We can write br dot read line separately, but here I have written it together. So integer dot parse int in bracket br dot read line. First this will accept a value and then it will convert the value into integer. Now again it is printing system.out.println the number entered is num, closing brace. So the output is, first it will ask enter a number. Suppose you have given 27. The answer will be the number entered is 27. Now we are taking another example. Write a program to input a number and print it. Now here what we are doing, we are just taking a number and printing the value. So first import java.io.asterisk. So this is the class, this is the package, public class name. Name is a class, public static void main throws IO exception. Now string name. Buffer reader BR is equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader system dot in. Now here what I have done, I have just combined those input stream reader line with the buffer reader line. Now system dot out dot println, enter your name. Name is equal to br dot read line. Now system.out.println, the name entered is name. So the output will be enter your name. Suppose I have written my name, so the result you will get is entered name is Mahima. Now we are taking another example. Write a program to input a single character from the keyboard. Now import java.io. Public class. Now I have given a class name like input underscore character. Opening brace, public void name throws IOException. Opening brace, character ch. Now here, as we have to enter a character, so we are declaring a character type, character data type, and we are declaring a variable for that. Now buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader, in bracket new input stream reader system dot in. Now again we are combining both these lines. Now system dot out dot println, enter a character. ch, that is a variable, is equal to char br dot read. Now here what char is doing, it is typecasting the character, means it is converting the data type of the entered string. System.out.println, the character entered is ch. Closing brace. What will be the output? Enter a character m. The character entered is m. Okay. So here is another third method of inputting data in Java, that is input through stream. Now students, go through these programs. I will give the pic of these programs in the class group also. Go through it and try to practice it. Thank you.